3 and 3 cancels out each other. 12 divided by 4 equals 3. But this answer is not right, because according to the order of operations, we must solve parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication and division, and finally addition and subtraction. Remember, if in any expression we have both multiplication and division present, we must work from left to right, and same applies to addition and subtraction. Now let's rewind and solve this problem the right way. If you notice, in this expression we have a division and a multiplication operator present here. According to the rules, multiplication and division have equal level of priority, but we must work from left to right. So we need to solve this division first, because that's on the left side. So 12 divided by 4 over 3. A number is getting divided by a fraction, and to solve this we can use KCF rule here: keep, change and flip. Keep means we keep 12 as it is. Change means we change the division operator to multiplication. And flip means we flip the fraction 4 over 3 as 3 over 4. And then we have times 3 present from the original expression. Now we solve this multiplication first, and 12 and 4 both are divisible by 4. So 4 divided by 4, that gives us 1. 12 divided by 4, that gives us 3. So we have 3 times 3 left here, and then we have times 3 present from the original expression. Now when we solve this multiplication, 3 times 3, that gives us 9, and 9 times 3, that gives us 27, which is the final and correct answer to this problem. Thank you for watching. Please like the video, comment your answers, and subscribe to our channel.